So, hey guys, and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. So, let's just get into the game. Let's play. It's going a little slow because I'm on my video app to video my screen. I'm on that app, so it's going slow. So I can't do as good as I usually would. I'm not trying to be like one of those people that are like, oh, since it's going slow, it makes me bad at the game. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it's easier to play whenever I'm not on this app because it's faster. If you get that. But I am really wanting to get 2 mystery boxes in one run, and also I really want to save up all my money and keep, because at the beginning of the game I logged into Facebook and it gave me a lot of stuff, and then it gave me extra credit or whatever. I don't even know, but so I had 35 coins, but I earned most of those coins by opening mystery boxes. And literally at the beginning of the game, all the mystery boxes, the first hour I played it, all the mystery boxes were full of keys. Full of keys! So at the beginning of the game, I had 36 or through 39, something around there. And I was like, what? Oh no. I hate when that happens. Now I have 0 because I spent all of them on one round so I can get to 9th place. And that's all I got to is 9th place. So it was really sad. But I still can watch ads to get some more. But I have Lucy goth outfit. I have her normal outfit. I like her goth outfit better. And then I have the dino for logging into Facebook. Then I have Jake dark outfit and Jake normal outfit. And I also have Trixie. So those are the characters I have. I just need 47 more to get him. 47 of those radios to get him. That's a lot. I need 197 to get one of him. That's a lot. What's his outfits? Ugh. And ugh. I like that one the most. His outfits, that's better than the other one, and I like that one best. And then there's Yutani. I need 500, but I don't have any. So I'm just gonna stay my character. And I only have one board, I think. Yeah, I only have one. Wait, no, I have 2. Okay, never mind. I have 2. I have just a normal regular hoverboard, then I have a starboard. And I selected my starboard. I think I want to save up for some of the boards. I like that one, the sunset. That's as much as a character. I think this one's really cheap. What's this? Whoa. That looks so cool. That looks so cool. So let's look through the boards. Get home. That's the star, and that's just normal starboard. That's a special star trail, and this is special jump thing. School fire. Whoa, I want that one. So these are all really cool. And here's the rewards. I almost got that. Boost your run and show off. Pick up 100 power-ups. So I'm so close to that, and I'm kind of close to unwrap your luck in the subway. Open 20 mystery boxes. And I'm almost halfway there to practice the ABCs. Complete daily challenges 5 days in a row. Board writer. Fill your collection. Write in style. Own 5 boards. Again, almost halfway there. Dress up, look your best. Own 5 outfits. Again, almost halfway there. A lot of these I at least have 1%, except for that one that's worth 8. Serve for the higher purpose. Complete 6 missions in 1 run. That's gonna be a lot. That would be a whole lot. So some of these I have done, mostly the ones at the beginning. So let's go back up. And wait, what was the highest one? 97. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it to 100, so I'll at least have 3 keys. Oh no, I did not mean to tap on that ad. Just popped up when I was about to click tap to play, and it popped up. So I'm just going to try. I know what, I don't know why I went this way. Okay. I think I only have like 4 or something like that more power-ups to go. I don't even remember what it said. I don't even think it showed me how many I needed left to get 3 keys. I'll just be looking for some power-ups. I usually don't get these shoes, but this time, make the most of them. Make the most of them. No, I was gonna jump over that, but then I realized it stopped. So I was like, no. 1 more part left to go. I did it. I get some keys. Sorry I didn't show, but I got 3 keys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.